Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, guys, I am back. So, today, you guys, we will be doing chicken tenders and fries from KFC, a Dorito Locos taco from Taco Bell, along with a Pepsi, and some Old Bay and lemon pepper shrimp. And I have some garlic butter right here to go with those. So, we're going to say grace and get in. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food we're about to receive, God. Lord, bless the hands that prepared this meal. Let it bring no harm to us. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. So, let's take a thumbnail and dive in. Alright, guys, so here we go. These fries pretty good. I think these are, well, I know they new because they had potato wedges. So, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. How y'all doing today? I want to say thanks to everybody who watched my first two videos. I truly appreciate it. Let's go and eat this taco because it ain't gonna last much longer. I forgot my mouth sauce. Let me talk about. Mmm, mmm. That is good. Have y'all tasted the new KFC fries? If so, tell me what y'all think about them. Mmm. Who else like fries with tacos? I love eating fries with tacos. Mm. Some of them kind of salty. Just a little bit. I was I was gonna get the fire no the flaming hot taco, and she told me that they no longer carry them, and I don't know why, cause they are so good. But that was originally what I was supposed to eat along with my shrimp, but they ain't having it anymore. So went to Plan B. I still got my taco because the kids want the tacos. So I just got one. I'm gonna eat a little bit more and then we gonna talk. I know y'all saying you already talking, but I ain't talking. I'm trying to get a little food in. I ain't ate nothing but some cereal today, so I'm kind of hungry. Mm. All right, I'm gonna take a little sip and taste these shrimp. Ooh, excuse me. So once y'all mm, all right. Hold on, let me see. Let me see that garlic. Mm-hmm. Okay. I love garlic, but ooh, spicy. It's a little spicy. Whew. It's a little spicy now. Let's see. I ain't even give me no trash statement. That's alright. Mm, it's pretty good. So, what y'all been up to today? Me, nothing much. I got up, I cleaned up, and then I folded all them clothes and washed clothes up, and went and did my mama hair, and that's about it. That's all I did. Um, yeah, that's all I did. It's just like the day went by so fast. So we were by my mama's house, and the kids went outside to in the pool. My 2 year old is a daredevil, so he decides he want to just keep going underwater. We'll get him out, make all the water come up, put him back in, and do it again. I was like, oh no, that's it. So y'all know he was mad, but better safe than sorry, cause he's so fast, and I just couldn't have it. But other than that, it's been a good day. A real good game. Like I said, I did my mama hair. Um, did some twists because she natural. Then I ride it. So, yep. What's y'all been doing? It's been too hot for y'all. Because, honey, I was sweating some bullets. It was so hot. But it be freezing in my house. So, y'all heard that they passed the another, I think, bill for a stimulus check. I don't. I mean, I know about it. I don't get it. So, but I know about it. But if they did, that's good for some of y'all because I know it's rough out here. Not being able to go to work. Um, and if you are going to work, maybe your hours are cut short. The kids ain't been back to school. So you feeding them breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and in the middle. Cause if y'all kids like mine, they eat all day. But I ain't complaining though, cause my kids don't go to school. So you know. But when you got other people kids in your house, and I'm talking about my brother, y'all. I'm just playing. But yeah. Yeah, all he do is eat and play 2K. Sometimes he'll good here with the kids though. Not often, just sometimes. Just saying. So yep. What y'all eating? If y'all eating with me or not with me and y'all cooking, let me know what y'all cooking. Let me know what y'all got for dinner. Who chicken strips y'all like best? KFC or Popeyes? I'm a Popeyes girl. I love Popeyes, but I rather have Popeyes anything. But I was close to KFC, so I wasn't driving all the way across town. Y'all like that chicken sandwiches? And I'm sorry, y'all. Something hurt my head right there. That's all right though. Let me tell y'all something. So my grandma favorite drink was Pepsi. I love I love Pepsi. Right now, I said I wasn't gonna drink no more dark drinks. I said that yesterday, but it just fell on me. Um, May is almost over. This is the month I lost her, and I just said I was gonna have me a Pepsi today. So I got a Pepsi, but this will be my last one. But this ain't a sad video. I just wanted y'all to know why I got a Pepsi. Why Pepsi is my favorite drink. But funny story, she used to always go to McDonald's and get a hamburger, no cheese, none of that. She only wanted some tomatoes on it, some lettuce. Just dry. And she would get a Coke. And we would drive all the way from Macomb back to Brookhaven. And grandma still be eating that burger. It was so small. And then you would see her over there moving her straw up and down like that. And I be looking like, grandma ain't nothing else in there. But some kind of way she would make drink up here in that cup. But yeah, y'all. And I used to be like, how is she still eating this burger? And we done went from Macomb to Brookhaven. Woo, y'all. Only her, because I used to be through with my food. But honey, her food will last, you hear me? And then she'll say, I'm going to say this piece. Be like, okay. All right. So, yeah. That's just a funny story. I got many, many more, but this ain't the time. But that one was so funny to me. And again, it's May. I wanted to share that with y'all. So, she was yeah. I mean, if y'all was with y'all grandparents, I know y'all, well, great grandparents. That was my great grandma. I know y'all got some stories. Because, baby, they was full of wisdom, full of honesty, knowledge. You just couldn't beat it. I would sit with her any day and have a conversation because she was so honest. She was so real. It was amazing because you could just sit there and listen to her stories. And she, not just her stories, but if you had a problem, she was going to tell you how it was, whether you wanted to hear it or not. You know, if she thought you was getting fat, you was going to know. Then that's just what it was. So, but you can't beat that. And she lived a long time, so. I'm talking about to cook. I'm talking about cook. So who y'all learning to cook from? If y'all know how, who taught y'all how to cook? You know, was you in the kitchen with your mama? Was you in the kitchen with your grandma? Maybe both. Maybe your grandpa, your auntie, you know, whoever taught you how to cook. Those are memories that you will cherish, and it's just something that will always stick with you. Even if you detour from that cooking, it's always there. Like learning how to cook from my grandma, not just my great grandma, but my grandma, and helping her in the kitchen, um, for Thanksgiving, or helping my mom, or watching my dad bake when I was growing up. It just helped me, you know. Like I might put my own twist on things, but I always remember what they showed me or what I watched them do. So, and I think that food always tastes better when it's prepared with love. If you don't want to cook it, it ain't gonna be good. If you cooking it too fast, then it ain't gonna be done. But that's real. Like you can't be a rusher. You gotta prepare that food and take your time. For real. So, y'all, today I didn't ate and talked. I know I ain't ate a lot of them shrimp. But I had so much food. But I'm gonna eat some more just to get me sick. Y'all want some? I can have some. If y'all want. But for real, these fries pretty good. They kind of, some of them got the right amount of seasoning. And then some of them are salty. So, you just have to see if you like them. What y'all doing with these kids so they won't be bored? Because I need some ideas. 'Cause mine get bored fast. But I kind of got bored the other day and I was about to lose my mind. You can only play the same game so many times. Any games. You be like, okay, I played that. What's next? But when these kids get bored, you be like, because mine will be doing something. And when it's over, he want to know what's next. What we can do now? Or can we do this now? Or something. So, yeah. Whew. Excuse me, guys. Okay, let's see. Y'all see that? They're at least spicy. Not much. Just a little bit. Oh, oh, that was spicy. Woo! Woo! Luke, don't worry about it, sweetheart. My brother back there, Just making me laugh. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. It's that split. It's that split right there. You finna get out of here. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get in the lip. I'm gonna get in the lip food. Hold on, y'all. Let me decide your way. I'm gonna put this over here, y'all. So I'm gonna leave food. All right, guys. So, what y'all doing? What y'all up to? Hmm? Um, I was gonna talk to y'all about something. Oh, okay. So, let's have a topic. um, I saw where again they're opening the economy back up. Certain places, there's still a lot of things that you can't do. But I want to know what's y'all take on it. Seriously. Do y'all feel comfortable? Do y'all not feel comfortable? You know, are y'all going out, getting your nails done, getting haircuts, going to the mall, you know, and if so, are y'all wearing masks? You know, if y'all having to go back to work, do they have, excuse me, do they have anything in place to ensure safety? Um, like what precautions are being taken? Because listen, I know that if it's your time or whatever God's will might be, then that's just what it is, you know? But God also gives us common sense. Um, and He gives you the sense of right and wrong. But again, I'm not really doing much. I'm trying to find things for my kids to do because you know they kids, they get bored easily. They want to go outside, but sometimes outside is just not enough. They want to go to the parks, but we can't go to parks. um, all the fun things that they had to do here, of course, those things are not open yet. Like Chuck E. Cheese, they haven't opened back up. The trampoline parks here, they haven't opened back up. Um, we have we have a lot of different things to do here. We also could go downtown and walk by the river walk, but again, you gotta social distance. So you know, we was going to the track every day to run and work out, but it was too many people coming. And since my son was in school, we couldn't go at a certain time, which is when I don't think people are there. But now that it's the summer for him, we might, you know, get him out. But the time we was going was a good time because by the time they finish playing and then we take them and they run around and get that bath, they ready for bed. So it's like they had a lot to do, and then you know we was running with the parachute, or you know he would want to take his soccer ball because of course he plays soccer, but we don't even know when that's gonna come back. Like they sent us a message out about their soccer saying that the money we paid was going to go toward the upcoming season, but we don't even know when this season is going to be because you know they don't want too many people in one area. And up here in Columbus, Georgia, I'm telling you guys, soccer is so popular. Like every field is full of people. Every field. And it's no social distancing there. Like it's not even possible. You can't say, okay, y'all sit right here and y'all sit right here, and then they can't say, okay, well, we're gonna have one game at this time and one game at that time, because honestly, it's not possible, because they have the games on Saturdays. And when I tell y'all, like, if his game is at 1 o'clock, they even had games at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, like all day. And it's just like all day, every field is full. And if I could just show y'all, like, it's so many fields, but they're all full. So it's really not possible. I hope it's all over soon, because I want him to go back to doing that. That was something for him to do. And of course the family would go out and support, but not just him, but my brothers. Like, they're not they don't know when they're gonna be able to go back to football. Like right now they will be doing summer practices and, you know, spring games and all of that coming up, but they don't even know if that's gonna happen. They're not doing no summer workouts, and it's all because of this. But you know, we can't just say that we can't just blame the world or the president, because even if somebody released it, nothing can be done without without God allowing it. And some of you might not agree, but that's just how I feel. That's my intake. That's my opinion. No, you don't have to agree, but that's just how I feel. But you guys, we have come to the end of this video. I'm so happy to have you all on my channel. If you have not yet joined my channel, my family, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so it can inform you when a new video is being uploaded. Please like, share, comment. I would gladly appreciate it. And until the next time, you guys, please don't worry about anything, but pray about everything. Love you guys. Peace.